Hey y'all, welcome back to Wicked F-150. So today's video is how you get free stuff from Ford. By stuff, I mean parts. You get free money, basically, for parts you can use for your truck or Edge, Explorer, Focus, whatever you want. Whatever Ford vehicle you have, you can buy stuff for it for free from Ford. Let's find out how. So, whenever you buy a Ford, brand new, certified used, I believe is the only other used one, but I may be wrong on that. If somebody can correct me in the comment section, that is perfect. But whenever you buy a Ford, you should be told about Ford Pass Rewards. Now, Ford Pass Rewards is just something you sign up for. Ford Pass is an app that you can use for your vehicle to start it, lock it, find it, stuff like that. But the rewards you get when you buy, you automatically get rewards when you buy a vehicle. A brand new gas is 42,000 points. Diesel, I think, is 75,000 points. And anytime you do any maintenance at Ford, you get points from that as well. Now, you can use your points for anything with Ford at a participating dealership, of course. You can use it for maintenance. If you don't want to pay for an oil change or something like that, you can use your points for that. However, you can also use them to buy parts. And I bought the Putco Black Platinum door sill protectors. I got, of course, all four doors. It's passenger and rear. Now, of course, both front have the F-150 logo on the sill itself, and then the rears, of course, do not. But I got all four of those and actual wheel well liners instead of just plasti dipped. So there's some real hard protection for the rear wheel well. Now, I also got the rubber plugs to put in the hole in the bed liner, but they don't fit. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that. I ordered them straight off the Ford website, so I'm gonna have to take them back in and find out what the deal is. That hole, yeah, the rubber is probably at least double that size. Like the inner ring that would go in the hole, yeah, it doesn't at all. It's probably half an inch too big to even fit in the hole. So we'll see. But those parts cost me about $330. However, I did not pay a dime, not one. I used my points. Of course, I got the new truck, got my wife the Edge, so total we had 85,000 points, used 66,000 on those three things. Now, the rubber things that are supposed to go in the bed liner that don't fit, those were only 20 bucks. The other two, they were split up. I'm not sure exactly. I threw the paper away. I didn't care. I wasn't paying for them. But how to figure out how much money each point is worth, it's 0.5%. So 66,000 and whatever 100 times 0.5% comes out to $330.89. That's what the total cost of those parts were for me from Ford, using my points. Just wanted to give everybody a heads up in case you didn't know about it, in case you weren't aware, because I was not until I found it out online. Like, I knew about the rewards and all of that, but I did not know you could use the money to buy parts. So, there you go. If you want the same parts I do for your F-150, now you know you don't have to pay for them if you have enough reward points. Hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned tomorrow for an F-150 LED video that is going to change the interior. Hopefully the seats can get customized before I put them in. If not, which I'm afraid they can't be, and the timing that I want, these will also be done this weekend. So a couple more videos coming up. Stay tuned. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope you guys subscribe, like the video, share it, love it. Have a great weekend. See y'all later.